Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, I'm here with the analysis of 9th of April 2019. Okay guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the updates from my side. Okay guys, now get started with analysis. So today I have supplied the bearish trend in case of New Zealand USD from 067412, which is just break, and I am expecting the further downward momentum on New Zealand USD, and if it continues the bearish activity like this, then it can go up to 067154. So I am completely bearish on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. I am going to take you towards the signals report. 130740 was the bearish entry from my side, and 129850 is the target price. You can see that the drop is already on the screen. You can see Great Britain Pound USD has gone down, and if it continues to be down like this, then it can reach towards the 129 level. So be careful while taking any kind of buy positions on Great Britain Pound USD, because it's completely into the bearish zone. Okay, now let's talk about USDJPY. Okay, I'm going to take you towards the report. A bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 111316, and you can see guys, we have a drop on USDJPY, and it has made the negative pattern, and if it continues the negative pattern like this, then we are not very much far from 110607. It can go up to that area. So overall I am bearish on USDJPY. At next I'm going to talk about AUDUSD. Okay guys, bearish trend was supplied in case of AUDUSD from 071323, and 071131 is the target price. You can see the market is already moving down on AUDUSD, and let's hope that if it is going to touch the target price, which is 071131, so overall it's into the 071231 level right now. So still we are getting the drop on this pair, and hopefully we can expect the further drop on this pair. At next, we are going to talk about USDCHF. Guys, the levels are disturbed on my chart because I have restarted my laptop, so the levels are not set up at my chart. However, I have given the bullish signal from 099,877, and I was expecting the market to up to 100,042, and you can see it has almost went near to the target price. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on USDCHF, they must have ended up with profits. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. I'm bullish on this pair from 133,143, and 133,495 is the target price, and guys, it's just making the bullish pattern. If we go to the higher time frames, then you can see then it is making the bullish pattern, and hopefully I am expecting the further upward momentum on USD Canadian dollar. Okay, now let's talk about the EURJPY. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. I have supplied the bearish signal in case of EURJPY from 125,375, and 125087 is the target price, and guys, you can see already we have received the drop on this pair, and hopefully we will get the further drop, because it is expected that it can go up to here. So overall guys, I am bearish on EURJPY, and at last I am going to talk about AUDJPY. So guys, this is the last signal of my signals report. I have supplied the bearish signal from 79422, and 79183 is the target price, and you can see the market has just come near to the target price, so we have a big drop on AUDJPY already. Okay guys, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, and if it starts making the bullish momentum, like here you can see the market went inside the lower red boundary, it starts making the bullish momentum, and if you received the buy signal from the scalper in the form of white arrow, that's the best time to enter into the trade. And look how sweetly the market has went up. And when the market goes into the top red or blue boundary, and if it starts losing the momentum, and if it starts making the bearish candles, then you can sell the pair. And look, we have also received the sell signal from the scalper, and the pair is down, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these forex trading indicators that are very useful for your forex trading, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.